Hey everyone, welcome back to our travel blog Know the Places and Namaste from abroad, where we explore some of the most beautiful destinations around the world. Today we are taking you to the charming coastal town of the Ogunquit Beach that is in a Mains of USA, and its stunning beaches is known for its beauty. So pack your sunscreen and sunglasses and let's dive into adventure.
I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
A state Maine is known for its beauty and their beaches. Maine is renowned for its stunning coastal line, national parks, historic sites, and dining scenes. But most important, it is famous for its crafted beer and picture-perfect lighthouse. Maine is a combination of natural beauty and historic charm that make it a must-visit destination in US. And today, we are gonna visit a Onginquid beach that
Think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt.
What happened? You might be wondering why we all are roaming in the car. For those who are planning to come Onginquid Beach for a trip, heads up guys. Parking can be a real pain, so make sure plan accordingly. The beach parking and nearby beach parking lots mostly are full. Even we tried a lot, but we can't able to find any spot for a parking, and we have to park about a mile away. So finally, after an hour, we found our spot. But now question is, how we gonna reach there? Since it's a mile away, so it's too far. Now we have three options. Either we can take a trolley, which gonna be here after an hour. The second option will be free, that you can walk. But the third one, who just came as a savior, a nifty vehicle for $15 per group. So it's awesome, and we are going there. So let's go.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be
Namaste from abroad.
Namaste from abroad.
Now we're going to change into a beach clothes. Finally, we are here and we made it. Now that we all are ready and changed, let's hit the beach, guys. After lots of hustle in a city, we finally make it. We finally make it to the Onginquid beach, which is so true gem that we can see here. This is known for its pristine sand, breathtaking views, friendly family atmosphere. But stop. This is not Indian family friendly. Okay. Anyway, it's a perfect gateway for anyone who's looking for relax and unwind. So when you are planning to come here, comment down below. One of the first thing that you can notice here on Oginquid Beach is the expansion stretch of the soft and white sand. It's ideal for sunbathing, building castle, or just taking a leisure stroll along the shore. Like everyone else, our Desi crew was all ready to set up picture perfect picnic. We took out our mat, set up all the foods and had it. But after few minutes later, खुदा को ये मंजूर ही नहीं था. A
After
wave
disaster
destroyed
photo.
all our aesthetic plans and the setup. But no worries, as we all are Desi, international student, we all are rearranging the damages. Oh yeah, no matter what happened, we still enjoy because we all are international student. हमारी जिंदगी में तो ये आता जाता रहता है. Damage, yeah. Okay, forget it. Now let's enjoy some of the musties with us.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
The beach is also famous for its clear and cold water, which are great for its swimming and boogie boarding, even surfing. If you are up for it, it's a plus point. During a low tide, you can even find a fascinating tidal pool steaming with a marine life, perfect for your little exploration with the kids. But unfortunately, we can't find it today because of high tide.
Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, we are been so long, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting?
No matter where we are, Desis never forget our childhood games. Look at Manan. He's destroying sandcastle, thinking that is a guli danda. Now our Anushka ready to do that again. And why is he destroying line though? Huh? With all the beach fun done, we all are ready to pack up and head back. It's a bit of walk to the parking, but it also gives us more time to explore the mains. So let's go. As we leave the beach, you can see it's flanked by the ocean on one side and river on the other side. Many families with a kid prefer this side since it's a much safer for the kids. On the way back, you might catch a race on the road if you're lucky.
I don't care.
Just a short walk from the beach, you will find a marginal way, which offers stunning ocean view as well as peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. It's also a mile and quarter long and must do when you are here.
You know what? I don't know what the name is, I forgot, but it's very cool and we really like it. Come follow us for more and take more pictures.
अर्ज किया है, बालों से निकल रही है, बालों से निकल रही है बहुत सारी धूल।
किया है आज हमने बहुत कुछ कूल। पेट्रोल धूल और पसीना एक करके, पेट्रोल धूल पसीना एक करके।
हो रही थी हमसे बहुत भूल, फिर भी हम कर बैठे बहुत कुछ, बहुत कुछ।
वाह 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 वाह,